morning.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here.
Lokal. I like your bonnet, Daddy.
Daddy,
Very,
kasama ka.
very Baguio.
Naiilang.
Nye. Wow, may mga sunflower.
Ako tapos.
Other angle naman. Other angle, yan.
Okay, let me take a
Here
selfie.
comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo.
Ganda yung smile.
Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Alright.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely.
Huwag na! Baka masira pa ang iyong final call.
Bigyan kita ng
Ang laki
exercise.
ng tiyan.
12 Navy Dozens exercise. Mas kumana ng exercise. Come on! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second exercise. Tongue twister.
Tongue twister.
Twist na!
Hindi ka naman makalimutan ko.
Tongue twister, ano? Nakakapagpabagabag. Minikaniko, nimoniko.
Mas kumana ng exercise.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
Ano ganyan, Zep? Eh, ikuti ang katawan.
6, 7,
Yung puwet niya na.
1.
Pati yung hips kasama.
Sabi na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Ganito yan.
Wala na talaga, oh. Wala na maisip. Wala na talaga. Ano na?
Memorize yun ng araw yan.
Kaya ako eh. Tongue twister. Minikaniko, nimoniko.
Pero nga, hindi yata yun.
Wow.
Yun. Oo. Ba't di na makabot sa tuhod?
Mas
Exercise.
kumana and execute. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 1.
Okay, inhale, exhale. Huh. Inhale. Inhale. Yung pinakamadaming inhale. Inhale.
Naman ako.
Excuse me. Gaganon yan, oh.
Uy, ay, uy, ay, uy. I will help you. Ayun na, bagay mo.
Wow, feeling drone.
May paminta ka ba dyan? Sabi nito, doon sa bayan ulit.
Hindi naman sa bayan, pero natupid.
Ayan, mga kaagapay. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Northern Blossom. Atok Benguet. At tunay pong sa edad kong 70 years old, ngayon ko nakita ang kagandahan na ginawa ng Panginoon sa lugar na ito. Iba't ibang klase ng halaman na mabubulaklak.
Ako yung mag-head.
Wow! Grabe! Amazing!
Baga lang. Hey, mother.
Oh, bebe, discuss your ano. Here. What are you?
Bebe, narinig
what
yung
are you
instruction
doing?
ha. You only use the scissors.
Come here, anak. Look.
You don't
Oh, what
pull
are you
the ano
doing?
ha.
I'm gonna cut strawberry. Lahat kayo, challenge. Kung sino may pinakamadaming nakuha ay mananalo.
Ano mapapa...
Hindi kasi yun yung way, kaya hindi nakukuha yun.
Let's go! Come on, first one!
What?
Ayan.
Great job.
Ang liit.
Ay, no.
Yaman na.
Too small.
Ito. Ay, maliit din naman.
Size doesn't matter.
We need the big one. Dito, ito, oh. Ayan. To. Yan.
Oh, laki. Huwag mo masyadong haba ng tangkay.
Wow.
Wait lang. Picture. Ayan, game. Sige.
Nice.
Pwede, sige.
Yes.
Igsian mo lang. Ang haba ng tangkay.
Yan, that's big. Maganda ba yan?
Tayo.
Anak, here. Wait, let's check first. I know, it's over. Okay lang. Oo nga, yung kabilang side, oo. Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, it's good. Wait. Hi guys! Wow, energy vlogger. Today, we're picking strawberries.
Wala akong picture.
Picture mo daw si Daddy ha.
Oh, Daddy! Oh, that's Daddy!
Okay.
And he's getting strawberries.
Amazing!
Pamilyang OA.
I'm here.
Saan?
Strawberry.
Cake pa!
Pinsan pala.
Ito dati.
Video. Kawaii. Kawaii. Ikot-ikot. Aray ka. Pasa dyan.
Basta, basta daw.